What's going on, YouTube? All right, what's going on, guys? SPY is still going down, and FOMC talked today. They released their minutes. Jerome Powell talked, and what happened to the market? Same thing that always happens, guys, and I told you, okay? This is just when you get news, what happens? It's just a detour, guys. I always tell you it's a detour when news comes out. How do I know this? Because I go back and I replay the stocks when news comes out, and I look at the trend and I journal what happens every single time. If you guys do that, it helps when you enter your trades tremendously. Okay, so let's see what we got going on, guys. We've got still another implied move down, and we did hit resistance here. I'm still looking at 495, 492 for Friday, and I want to show you something. Okay, we broke this neckline here, okay, and we had a little pattern going on, almost like a head and shoulders. We came down and we came back up. This previous support now became resistance, and when that happens, bye-bye stock. Okay, that is a very bearish indicator. Okay, not a guarantee, I'll tell you that right now, but when it does happen, you will see a move down, and I cover this in my courses, guys. If you're not getting coached up, if you're not getting any type of guidance in the stock market, I'm gonna leave you a link below, guys. My courses are on sale again. I'm gonna leave you a code to give you a discount. Okay, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing the videos, and I'll remind you, if you know anybody that wants to invest and is trying to trade, please share the video with them. Okay, now let's take a look at the indicator and see what happened for us in the bull ring live. So we have two different type of entries we're doing. We are doing a 2-minute entry, and no one took any entries here just because of what was going on with the news. We were in a nice little chop box all day. You guys can see that there. Let me just paint it out for you guys, and you see this was just bouncing right around 73 cents, $1 time frame, and that's it. And then finally, when Mr. Powell started talking, this started happening. Okay, and we came up. Okay, all this here, guys, when you have news going on, is a risky trade. So if you didn't take it, I applaud you. Now, once the news was done, it's go time. It's time to rock and roll. So we had a 2-minute entry in there, and we jumped in it, okay, at 506. And then we have 5-minute trades, and the 5-minute trade shows us an entry right in here with the cloud flip at 504. So just depending on your style, if you're a 2-minute trader like me or a 5-minute trader like me, it all depends on your style. Okay, either way, we entered here and we got out right around here, but then I came over to look and check on the 5-minute, and I noticed we are still headed down. So we entered there, and then I told the group we can enter in here as long as we manage our stop loss, and we did, and we ended up scoring, guys. This was a nice drop. Let's just look at the 2-minute. Okay, the 2-minute drop was $6. What is $6 times whatever delta you buy equal? That's right. So this indicator is on sale, $9.99. If you guys want to try it, you want to use it, and you can come in the live room. I'll coach you through it. You'll be entering the trades with me and the team. Okay, so don't forget about that. Okay, another thing we look at is Microsoft. Microsoft is biggest market cap, and it moves SPY. So if you're playing SPY, make sure you keep an eye on Microsoft. Here you go. Microsoft Cloud flipped. Okay, And this is when we entered SPY, except Microsoft showed a little support here, and you can see this long wick on this candle. Okay, this is how you should be entering trades. There is nothing wrong with taking profits early, guys. Okay, you can see this wick right there. Okay, if we went under this line, then I knew we're still going to go down on a normal move down, guys. Okay, so we entered more puts once Microsoft broke this line, and it was so easy. Why? Because charts don't lie. You got to learn how to chart, guys. I have courses on sale. I coach you. You can't lose. Okay, you can't lose if you have information and guidance. Okay, stop cheating yourself. Okay, these courses are going to continue to go up as I add more courses, and I have option trading courses coming out. Okay, jump on it quick, guys. They're on sale right now. I'm going to leave you a coupon down below. Amazon. What did Amazon do, guys? Same thing as everybody else. Look at that on the 2-minute cloud. No special secret here. Nvidia. The Nvidia is the big boy in the room. Everybody loves playing Nvidia. Okay, I jumped in some puts in Nvidia. Okay, I sold down here, and I knew that this was going to be the reversal. How? I teach it in my courses, guys. Pick them up. Okay, then I jumped in a short call and I sold it here, and then I went to go listen to Mr. Powell and see what he was going to tell us. But same thing with Nvidia on the 2-minute up here. If you didn't play any of this, okay, know that there's a gap and it was going to come back down. So this would have been a great entry if you had the clouds with Nvidia, but it did the same like everybody else, which is super easy day to trade. All right, so now when I cover Bitcoin, for a few folks that have asked me, they want to know what's going on with it. So this is a very crucial point for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has support for about $1,000 or $2,000 down right in this area. If it breaks that, guys, is going to see another dip down. Let me show you something that you should focus on your actual charts. Okay, if you can't see, every single candle here is under the cloud. That is very bearish. Once they stay under the cloud for that long and then they come up and they resist at the cloud, it's not looking good. So if I paint it like this, you'll see this line is under the cloud and it's just been banging its head right on the cloud, which is around the 20 EMA. It tried to get out here, didn't make it, and so then it sold off. Okay, so if you want to buy Bitcoin, I would really encourage you to sign up for my courses so you guys learn how to do this. This can be very painful if you don't know what you're doing, but right now Bitcoin is struggling. It's trying. Let's see what happens due to the market and all the news that's going on. I think Bitcoin is going to continue to go down, so be very careful. If you're a believer in Bitcoin, hey, buy the dip. Don't buy it just because everyone buys it. Look at the chart, get the best price you can get, guys. Okay, I hope this video helps, and till the next video, I'm wishing you guys a green day. Take care.